Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly special for you, a delightful bento box featuring 3 amazing dishes: bell pepper with salted kombu, potato with mentaiko butter, and a personal favorite, pork berry rolls with green shiso. So let's get cooking and pack a bento that's as flavorful as it is beautiful to look at. First, let's start from bell pepper with salted kombu. Let's prepare our bell pepper by removing the stem and seed. Then slicing them against the grain into thin strips. Next, soak the strips in water, then drain well. In a bowl, mix the bell pepper strips with salted kombu. Finally, add sesame oil and mix everything well. And that's our first dish done. Second dish is potato with mentaiko butter. Peel the potato and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Prepare the mentaiko by removing it from its skin. Place the potato pieces in a microwave-safe dish. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave at 600 watt for about 5 minutes, or until a toothpick goes through smoothly. Mix in the mentaiko and butter with the cooked potato. There, our second dish is ready. Last dish is pork berry rolls with green shiso. Remove the stem from the green shiso leaves and cut them in half lengthwise. Cut the seaweed to match the size of the pork slices. Remove the pit from the umeboshi, then use a knife to mash it into a paste. Lay out the pork berry slices. Spread the umeboshi paste over them. Then add seaweed and shiso leaves on top. Roll them up from the front connecting the end of one row to the start of another, making a continuous row. Cut them in half, secure with toothpicks. Heat salad oil in a pan, add the pork rolls, and cook over medium heat until browned on both sides. Add water and cover with lid and cook until done. Finish with a sprinkle of salt. Now let's bring it all together in our bento box. Start with a bed of rice. Add the pork belly rolls, followed by the potato with Mentaiko butter. Finally, add the bell pepper with salted kombu. Sprinkle some furikake over the rice if you like. And there we have it, a beautiful and tasty bento box ready to enjoy. A bento box that's not just a feast for the eyes but a delight for the taste buds. The pork belly rolls with green shiso are my absolute favorite. The juicy pork paired with a tangy umeboshi and aromatic shiso is just divine. Both the bell pepper with salted kombu and the potato with mentaiko butter are incredibly simple yet bursting with flavor. I hope you enjoy making and eating this bento as much as I do. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. Sayonara and happy cooking!